Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to check E and Money IBAN or how you can find IBAN. So guys, to find IBAN number, all you have to do, so guys, go to the official website E and Money and log in your account. This is the first step. After that guys, scroll down, you find this option as you can see, apply for IBAN number. For existing user guys, log in your account and after create IBAN or you can generate IBAN by selecting add money option from the home page and choosing create your IBAN, or yes, you can enter your account details. This is how you can do guys. And to find your IBAN number guys, go to account details and go to IBAN number. So guys, go to add money homepage and go to add money and your account details. You see IBAN number. Log in your account. The first step, download the app if you don't have, and log in your account and on your account details. Click add money and your account details. You find IBAN number. To check your IBAN number, just enter your IBAN number. For example, this IBAN. Click for example this one, just for example, and click validate your IBAN. This is how you can do to generate your IBAN. Just go to this option, or to apply for IBAN for a new user, you automatically be used of virtual IBAN registration process. Thanks guys for watching this video.